morning.
My name is Gerson Flores. His name is
Ariel and Joseph.
We're with Total Appliance and Air Conditioning Repairs based out of Hollandale Beach, Florida. And today we're going to be showing you the replacing of this unit and what we're going to be doing. From ductwork down to a drain with fire wrap, which is the code here for this specific building. And later on we will show you the finished product. Come back. We're here to show you now the finished installation of the Tranquility 16. This is a TCVO 30. We're going to get into first why Tropic. And Tropic Supply is a great business. It's a great company, a great supply house for the HVAC and refrigeration world. Tropic Supply gives us personalized attention, competitive pricing from the minute that you make a phone call to the minute you get to the counter. We'll deal with Xavier at the counter at T1, Alex, Carlos, in the warehouse, Angelito, and our sales rep, Joseph Valinsky. Personalized attention is why you should go to Tropic, and the type of one-on-one dealings that we have with Tropic Supply. Now, with the ClimateMaster product, one of the main things that we like to see is the design that ClimateMaster puts into their products. Their blower housing in this specific position gives you even pull off on the evaporator coil. Okay, now you also have an isolated platform, which makes great for sound level. It's a very, very silent unit. This is one of the main reasons why everyone should use ClimateMaster as a geothermal option and their geothermal go-to unit. Thank you, Tropic Supply, and thank you, ClimateMaster.